Have you ever wanted to talk about the future in English, but felt confused about will, going to, or sentences like will have been studying? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain future tense in a simple way, with clear examples anyone can understand. Let's get started. Future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen later, not now, and not in the past. For example, tomorrow, next week, next year. English has 4 main types of future tense, and we'll go through them one by one. We use will to talk about future actions. Examples: the secretary will send the proposal tomorrow. The students will submit the assignments on Friday. Simple, right? We can also use be plus going to plus verb to talk about future plans. Examples: the secretary is going to send the proposal tomorrow. The students are going to submit the assignments on Friday. Quick tip: will is often used for decisions made on the spot. Going to is used for planned actions. Now let's talk about actions that will be happening over a period of time in the future. Examples: the manager will be having lunch with his colleagues this Friday. She will be studying for her test tonight. They shall be starting their diets. Future perfect tense. This tense is used when an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. Examples: by this time next year, my brother will have completed his studies. I will have typed my report by Sunday noon. The key word here is by. It tells us the deadline. Future perfect continuous tense. This one sounds complicated, but it's not. We use it to talk about how long an action has been happening before a future time. Examples: I will have been waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. By 2001, I will have been living in London for 16 years. This tense focuses on duration.
Modal verbs are special verbs like the following. Important rule: modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb. Examples: she could have my meal. Amira must finish her homework by tonight. Amir has to give the flowers to the teachers. He will go to the toilet.
If this video helped you understand future tense better, give it a like. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.